Asaka Jingmai. And presenting is the evening gown round of Miss Spring 2018. Presenting is contestant number 1, Miss Daniel Kongjam, 18 years of age. She loves journalism, modeling, and sports. She is from Meitei community, 10+2, preparing for law studies, and she aims to become a police officer. Achievements: gold and silver medalist in National Fencing Championship. She dreams big. She believes that in order to succeed, desire for success should be greater than fear or failure. She aims to represent the country and various cultures and traditions at the international platform. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1, Daniel Kongjam.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Miss Alice Sokwung now. She's 21 years old. Her hobby is reading novels and gardening. She belongs to a Tangko community. She graduated from DM College of Arts, and her aim in life is to become a teacher. Miss Alice Sokwung now, contestant number 2. She loves being herself. She's a humorous and with a very positive attitude. She's here to grasp the opportunity offered to all the willing women of Manipur.
Contestant number 3, Miss Tonsheng Shangman. She is 20 years of age. She loves reading and cooking. She is from Anal community. She is undergraduate at St. Mary's College of Shillong. She loves to call herself a proud feminist and hope to contribute as much support as she can to feminism. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, Miss Tonsheng Shangman.
Contestant number 4. She's of the age 22. Her hobby is cooking, decorating things, DIY. She belongs to the Meitei community. Qualified MA in History, Manipur University, and her aim in life is to join police force and a good mother. Contestant number 4, Miss Sushma Longjam, supports the ideology of feminism and believes in equality of everyone.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for contestant number 5, Miss A.R. Mathing, who is 22 years of age. She loves writing poems, playing ukulele, cooking. She is from Bangkok community. She is a graduate from Delhi University, and she aims to become a successful model and inspiration to young women. Aung San Suu Kyi is her role model, who is a perfect example of being strong and a modest woman, who also has shaped her country. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, Miss A.R. Mathing.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for contestant number 6, Miss Chun Joyce Riambai. She's of the age 18. Her hobby is playing guitar and reading novels. She belongs to Rongmai community. Her qualification is 10+2 from Tiny Tot School, Imphal. She's a lady who believes in herself. She loves helping children and all those she can. She is a fan of music and has a gospel band consisting of 6 girl members. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for contestant number 6, Miss Chun Joyce Riambai.
And now, show some appreciation for contestant number 7, Miss Wong Chan Fei Lowland, who is 19 years of age. She loves dancing and traveling. She is from Bangkok community. She is an undergraduate in arts from NG College, Imphal. She aims to become a great motivational speaker. She wants to be an inspiring person and set an example to the youth out there. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, Miss Wong Chan Fei Longlen.
Gentlemen, let's hear it out for contestant number 8, Miss C.H. Chan Sophie. She is of the age 21, sweet 21. Her hobby is dancing and traveling. She belongs to Tangkol community. She is a graduate from Morton College, Imphal. And her aim in life is to become a very, very successful person. For her, the essence of being a woman is to complete the very existence and meaning of life. So ladies and gentlemen, let's once again hear it out for contestant number 8, Miss Chan Sophie.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next is contestant number 9, Miss T.T. Dorothy, who is 18 years of age, and she is from Maram community. She loves singing and dancing. She is 10+2 at TM College of Arts, and she aims to become a model. She is inspired to become the Miss World in days to come. She is compassionate and passionate about her dream, and that is why she is here. And she strongly believes in handwork as it is, hard work as it is the only key to success. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9, Miss D.D. Dorothy.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for contestant number 10, Miss Dolina Tokchom. Age 18-year-old. Her hobby is dancing, traveling, and meeting new people. She belongs to the Métis community. She graduated from Modern College Imphal, and her aim in life is to become a teacher. As a person, Miss Dolina Tokchom believes in hard work, quoting, "Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough, because I know that failure is nothing but an opportunity to begin again with confidence and precision." Thank you, Dolina Tokchom.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 11, Miss Philayong Jajo. She is 18 years of age and she loves dancing, acting. She is, of course, from Bangkok community, and she is 10+2, studying at Songhai Higher Secondary School in Fall. She aims to become a model one day, and she loves to serve people of our country with what she can. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 11, Miss Philayong Jajo.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for contestant number 12, Miss Pretty Inca. Age 18-year-old. Her hobby is dancing, painting, and reading. She belongs to Inpui community. Her qualification is 10+2 from Don Bosco College, Maram. Her aim in life is to become a designer. She's a woman who always maintains positive mind in every situation and loves to inspire others. She believes in the power of love, as when it combines with kindness can change the whole wide world. For her, love is the only way to bring smile to everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, shout out for contestant number 12, Miss Pretty Inca.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next is contestant number 13, Miss Veronica Ongshi. She is 21 years of age. She loves dancing, traveling, reading romantic novels, and cooking. She is, of course, from Bangkok community. She is graduated in English honors from Delhi University. She aims to become an entrepreneur one day. As a person, she is very optimistic and cheerful. She is brought up to be a generous and humble and be a believer of Lord Jesus Christ. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, give it up for contestant number 13, Miss Veronica Ongshi.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the last contestant of Miss Spring second round, contestant number 14, Miss Sushna Maibom. She's of the age 19. Her hobby is singing and dancing. She belongs to Métis community. Her qualification is 10+2, and her aim is to to become a doctor. She wished to contribute towards the health of women and children. She's a very friendly person who just wants to make people around her very happy. She feels that a smile can make everyone feel better. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the last contestant of Miss Spring second round. Shout out for second round Miss Spring 2018.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the 14 sensational ladies vying for the coveted crown, Miss Spring 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very much glad to inform you the music being played is an original track called Kafong Filava, an electronic fusion by Ukraine-based artist called Kaze Changwei. So, ladies and gentlemen, also please give it up for Kaze Changwei.
Tang khol nào bèn, trả được lấy được là, sao bay được lấy là.